Now we're going to talk about where you can buy needles. There are a whole bunch of different kinds of stores you can buy them at. If there is a DJ shop in your area, they most definitely sell needles for you. If there's a DJ record shop, they also might sell needles. But a lot of times if you don't live in a big city or an area with a lot of DJs, there won't be DJ record shops or especially just DJ equipment shops. You can sometimes find them at audio shops, audio equipment stores, or just musical equipment stores where you might get your guitar or your drumsticks. I've found often at these types of stores they tend to be more expensive. I get mine online. You can always check out the shops of the individual companies, or I actually use a shop called Turntable Lab, which is actually a DJ shop. I've been to the one in New York, I've been to the one in LA. You can find that one online. They're very competitive. And it's good for you wherever you can find whatever's best.